Samsung system air conditioners are used by a variety of customers all across the globe. Not only in residential buildings, high-rise office buildings, hotels, resorts, but even in historical and cultural heritage sites. Samsung system air conditioners can be placed in any type of building that seeks high energy efficiency. Customers from around the world have various needs for their air conditioners. Samsung system air conditioners are ready to satisfy the needs of any customer. Whether it's reducing energy consumption in dormitories and residential buildings, or making a system that can easily be controlled in high-rise office buildings, Samsung system air conditioners can even endure the salty air in regions near the sea.
There's also the strong wind of the salty atmosphere of the sea. Our product is well much prepared to stand the kind of climate that we have here.
And can provide a comfortable environment even under fluctuating daily temperatures.
Samsung succeed to provide the project with heat recovery 3-pipe system which can work heating and cooling simultaneously.
Whatever the circumstance, we see to it that the system can be installed even in historical buildings, meeting the various needs of our customers. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority.
I never thought about the air conditioning system. I go around to so many places in this huge building. It doesn't matter if it's winter or summer, it just feels good inside. And it just feels perfect.
Samsung will do our best to design innovative air conditioning solutions that meet the various needs of customers around the world. For next generation smart building experience, Samsung system air conditioner.